Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Nat for Island Living. Today I'm going to take one of those daily traditional recipes, the banana bread, and I'm going to add a Christmas flair to it to make this Christmas banana fruit cake. I'll be doing two versions of this Christmas banana fruit cake, so follow along for this Christmas treat. I have two bowls here for the two separate batters that I'll be making. I'm going to go ahead and put 3/4 cup of softened butter in each bowl. I'm going to add 4 ripe bananas to each bowl. Then I'm going to use a dinner fork to crush the butter and banana together.
This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary.
Set the crushed bananas aside.
So bring him
using 2 new bowls, I'm going to break 2 eggs into each bowl.
Peasant king to own him, King of kings, salvation brings. Let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise a song on high. The Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, oh joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
Once I'm finished removing the eyes from the eggs, I'm going to add the rind from 1 lemon, I'm also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla to the eggs. Now combine the egg and banana mixes. Add a cup of sugar, in my dry ingredients bowl, I'm going to add 3 cups of flour, and that means each batter is going to get 1.5 cups of flour. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 Now combine the dry and the wet ingredients together. Use half of your dry ingredients for one batter and the other half for the other bowl of batter. Add half cup of walnut to each batter. Now add a cup of soaked fruits to one of the batters. Bake the batter at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to an hour.
Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in the dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep.
And that's it, guys. We've come to the end of another episode of Burst of Flavor Cooking. Right here on Nat 4 Island Living, we have put a Christmas and very fruity flair to the traditional banana bread. I have plated the cake with apple peppermint jam and cranberry jam for a heightened Christmas air. Guys, whatever this Christmas brings, remember the reason for the season. Keep your hopes up. Keep compassion and love alive. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Have a Merry Christmas, and until next time, walk good.